Hello friends, in this video we are going to see a new term, that is Mach number and its significances. So let's move to the video. We are currently studying compressible flows, in which actually compression occurs and changes in the density are occurred. So it is very important that elasticity of medium playing very important role in guessing some situations, in deriving some formulae. So whenever we consider elasticity of medium, it is required that we have to deal with Mach number. Scientists Mach have decided to study on the compressible flows. So after some studies, he concluded that it is very important that elasticity is an important parameter. So whenever there is a reference of elasticity for a particular study, then in that case Mach number is necessary. So if we are talking about normal speeds, say for example if we are sitting in our car and traveling with velocity of say 60 km per hour, so in fluid mechanics study, this velocity is very slow. So in that case air is a rare material, it is having less density and the effects of this elasticity are less, so we do not consider Mach number for smaller velocities. But when the speed of the vehicle is increased, then we come to know that some pressurizing thing is acting on our skin. It means that some elastic medium is surrounded by us in higher speeds. So in that case elasticity of a air medium is get considered. Say for example, if we consider velocity of sound in air, generally it is 340 meter per second. It means that if sound is originated at a particular point, say this origin, then sound wave travels in a medium. Actually it travels in the form of compression and rarefaction zones. So these compression zones travel in a medium, that is air, with velocity of 340 meter per second. It means that in 1 second it travel almost 340 meter. So this was considered as a reference, and according to this reference, whatever will be the speed of travel was denoted by a Mach number, a number called Mach number. So we can define Mach number as ratio of characteristic velocity v to velocity of sound or elastic wave. So Mach number m is nothing but the velocity of v to the sound velocity, say c. Generally the symbol used is c. Value of c is 340 meter per second. So there is another definition of Mach number, which is also defined as square root of ratio of inertia force to elastic force. We have to remember one thing, that this inertia force and elastic force are forces per unit volume. So inertia force can be concluded as rho av, this is mass into velocity, so it becomes rho av square, and elastic force is k into a. So this is the another formula to calculate Mach number m. We have to note one thing, that elastic force per unit volume is rho v square upon v is equal to E upon v. If we consider Mach number as 1, Mach number as 1, it means that now velocity of travel of our vehicle of study is equal to sound velocity. In fluid mechanics 2 subject, we have some practicals. We have seen a wind tunnel. Wind tunnel is nothing but a pipe-like structure in which a fan is provided. So this is fan, and the speed of fan is very tremendous, so that velocity of the air can be changed according to our references. So if we increase the speed equal to 340 meter per second, if v equal to 340 meter per second and c equal to 340 meter per second, then their ratio becomes 1. It means that if a particular object is moving with velocity of sound, then in that case Mach number is 1. If velocity is greater than the sound velocity, that is called as supersonic. Super means more. So more than sonic, hence supersonic. And if velocity of travel is less than the velocity of sound, that is 340 meter per second, then in that case that is called as subsonic. Sub means less. So it is become, if it is less than 1, so it becomes subsonic. For our reference, either we means the object can travel into the environment, or environment can travel around the object. So in case of wind tunnel, we have a stationary part on which we are going to study, and that medium, that velocity v is moving one. So this is the same scenario as the reality. So whenever we want to test some phenomenons, some pressure and density changes at high speeds, then in that case we use generally the wind tunnel apparatus. So this is the reason why we use wind tunnel apparatus. Depending on the types of flow, we can conclude that flow may be sonic. Sonic flow is such in which Mach number is 1. It means V equal to C equal to 340 meter per second in air. This is for example purpose. The value 340 meter per second depends on the density of particles. Say for example, if altitude is high, then in that case rare is the medium, then velocity will be less than 340. And if denser is the material, denser is the air, if we are carrying out practicals in case of very polluted environment, then in that case velocity may be more than 340. So it is just an example purpose, so that we can get logically idea about the actual speeds of travel. So in sonic flows, aeroplane is moving with velocity of 340 meter per second. In subsonic flow, Mach number m is less than 1, generally 0.4 to less than 1. So it means that this is very slow moving object, aeroplane is moving, v is at less velocity, say for example 200 meter per second, and c is equal to 340. Next is transonic flow. This is the zone of velocity which is closer to Mach number 1. So it is either slightly less than 1 or slightly greater than 1. This is the phase in which some properties are get different at Mach number 1. So we have classified another type, that is the transonic flow. So m is slightly more or less than 1. So plane may be moving with 330 meter per second or 350 meter per second. Next is the supersonic flow. As its name indicates, super means very more. Mach number is greater than 1. Generally, it is up to 6. It means that it is the object which is traveling with velocity 6 times the sound velocity. Generally, these objects are nothing but the rockets or very high altitude objects or some shells which are travel at high speeds. Then in that case this study becomes necessary. So Mach number is greater than 1 up to 6, and hypersonic means Mach number is very high, greater than 6. So there are certain objects, generally whenever a spaceship enters into earth environment, then in that case velocity of that spaceship is very high during the entry. We know the best example of Kalpana Chawla. The velocity was so high, the density was so high that due to friction that spaceship was get burnt. So this was the example of very high speeds, that is high greater than 6 means a object moving at very high speeds more than 6 times of velocity of sound. Generally, Mach number significance. We all know that whenever there is a compression or reduction in the cross-sectional area of pipe, say for example this one, this is compression zone, here density is more, then in that case we calculate discharge coefficient, and this discharge coefficient is the indicator of discharge flow or percentage of discharge. Say for example, if CD is 0.99, it means that 99% of discharge, say this is Q, then the discharge flowing through this section will be 0.99 Q. So this is the indication. So this value of CD is get affected due to Mach number. If I want to draw a relation, a graph of CD versus Mach number M for 0 to 2, 0.6, 0.8, 1.0, the relation is something like this. So at higher Mach number, the discharge coefficient is higher, so it is the indication, this is the significance. So high Mach number corresponds to high CD, corresponds to high discharge. So if they are nozzles, then their efficiency is high. And energy loss is so if our purpose to design a nozzle, then in that case we should have less energy loss. It means that we have to keep Mach number very high, closer to 2. It means that we have to flow it at very high speed. If we want to do more energy loss, say for example compressible flows in energy dissipator devices, say in that case we have to keep very small speeds, very small Mach numbers, so that energy loss will be more. So depending on our purpose, whether we want more energy loss or less energy loss, we define a discharge coefficient, and accordingly we consider the value of Mach number, that is the value of traveling speed that we are going to adopt. That's all. Thank you.